Good morning. Welcome to the club, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Peter, it's very, very nice to see you, sir. Sad. And my friend from Iraq, my guys from Niger, Mr. Habib is here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, drinking VSOP Hennessy. We all gonna get drunk tonight. Never mind, it's a Monday to Tuesday. We are the band Solid Gold. Mr. Nasser from Jordan and all the friends here from Iraq and Iran. Thank you. Let's play the song for the people. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and... Make my way through the night. All this bullshit conversation, baby, you can read the sign. I don't know you in the details, baby. I don't really wanna waste your time. Let's just say that, baby, you didn't have to be so baby, I ain't been tonight. But if you love me fast love, that's not in your eyes. It's more than enough, that's a love. 'Cause fast love is all that I got on my mind. For some information, make my way into the night. My friends got it, baby, they all have babies, but I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna in the details, baby. I don't really wanna waste your time. Let's just say that, baby, you can have to be mine. But if you love me fast love, if that's all in your eyes, it's more than enough, that's a love. 'Cause fast love is all that I've got on my mind. Security, I make my way to the night. Stupid Cupid keeps on calling me, but I see nothing in his eyes. I miss my baby, I miss my baby. So why don't you make a little moment, be in love with you, girl. Searching for a piece of mind. Hey. This morning I've got some bad luck. Let's get ready to get down on it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get ready to do it. Come on. What you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? One more time, y'all. Yeah. What you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Yeah. What you gonna do? Come on. I get down on it. 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 Come on. Get down on it. I get down on it. I get down on it. I get down on it. Yeah. And how you gonna do it if you don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Put your back up on the wall. Tell me. How you gonna do it if you don't take a chance? By standing on the wall. Put your back up. Cause I heard all the people say, come on, man. If you really want it, see, you gotta be there. Get down on it. Baby, baby. Oh, yeah. You gotta be there. I say, Peter. What you gonna do? You gotta get on, girl. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh, down, down, down. I'm gonna do it if you really don't want to dance. By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me. I'm gonna do it if you really don't take a chance. By standing on the wall. Get your back up. Cause I heard all do it. Get down on it. Come on, man. If you really want it, so you gotta be there. Get down on it. Baby, baby. Oh, yeah. Welcome back, man. So you gotta be there. Long time. What you gonna do? I do you wanna get down. What you gonna do? I get your back up off the wall and dance. Come on. I get your back up off the wall. Cause I heard all the things. Come on, man. You really want it. You gotta be there. Get down on it. Baby, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm staying alive, yo. Let's go. Come on. Bring it. Woo. Let's go. That's all we miss in this area. Sexy? Yeah. Mr. Peter, what's up, sir? On keyboards. Check this out. Bring it on, Mr. Jojo. She could dance like this. She make a man want to speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Make us a Shakira, Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make me wanna go away. So be wise, keep on.
Until I show some ass and the body lights on the body, 'cause I love it. See what she gon' do with it. Do what she gon' make you move, make you right. That's why you don't ever work. When you make me suicidal, suicidal. When you say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal.